Ready? I heard this game is very scary right here, baby. Let's go. Let's go! No. Oh, no, chill. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. Just a game. Just a game. Just a game. Installing. The fuck? I like this game, baby. Yeah. It's kind of scary. Alright, welcome. No, 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 chill, chill, chill! No! 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 The fuck is wrong with this game, man? What is going on? No! The fuck is going on? Hey! 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 Stop! 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 Oh, it's still good. Repair a computer. Why am I doing all this? Why am I doing all this? Why am I doing all this? Chat, does anybody know why is they doing this? The fuck isn't it stolen? I guess I just gotta wait, bro. Just chill, chat, chill. Just relax, relax, y'all. Just chat, relax, bro. I don't know what the hell is going on, chat. Just relax. Just relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Chat, relax. Wait, chat, is it really messed up? Yes or no? Real shit. No, hold on, wait, chill. Is my shit really messed up?
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Man, what the fuck?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Bro, didn't I be it, bro?
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys.
Bro, don't you do this for the start of your PC?
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
What the fuck? Bro, don't you do this for the...
Your region is set to United States. Is that right?
Yes? Bro, is this part of the game or is this like... What is this shit?
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Chat prayed for my PC to be okay. Why is my PC doing this? Are you serious? Please, Windows, please, everything be there, bro. Please, my Windows, bro. Please be there, bro. All my games, dog. I was using... Come on, almost there. Please, chat. Almost there. Come on. Yes! Wait, no. Wait, chat, is this a dub or ill? Wait, is this a dub or ill? See, it did. It's exactly what it did. It's exactly what it did. It's exactly what it did. Exactly. quiet. Just be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet, chat. Shut up. It's exactly what it did. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. See, it did exactly this. I have a VM, y'all. Shut up. Don't look behind. Yup, it did this. Jump scare coming. Oh. Then it did this. Wait, let me go to my recycle bin. Shit is weird, you see? It's weird. Don't open me. This game is weird as fuck. This game is weird. This game is so weird. You see this? Shut up. Did it did that? I don't know. I'm done. This game's weird as shit. I'm done. Okay, I'm done.